Your workspace is where you spend the most important hours of your day, but a cluttered desk and poor posture are silent productivity killers. Most setups ignore the physical toll of long hours until the pain becomes impossible to ignore. Today, we are upgrading your environment with 5 essential tools designed for peak performance and total comfort. Let's start. Number 1. Poukaran LED desk lamp with wireless charger. A messy desk leads to a messy mind, especially when you are hunting for charging cables and trying to track the time. Standard lamps take up space without offering much in return, leaving your desk cluttered with chargers and clocks. The Poukaran LED desk lamp solves this by integrating a wireless charger, a USB port, and a full digital display for time, date, and temperature. It streamlines your entire surface, giving you the mental clarity of a clean workspace and the peace of mind that your devices are always powered up. If this sounds useful to you, the link is in the description below. Number 2, RGB gaming mousepad, wireless charging, desk, mat gaming, and high-level work require smooth movement. But wires for your phone and peripherals often get in the way of your flow. Most mouse pads are just flat surfaces that offer no utility, forcing you to reach for chargers across the room. This large LED gaming mat provides a massive 800 by 350 millimeter waterproof surface with built-in wireless charging and a foldable phone stand. It creates a seamless, immersive environment that makes you feel like a professional athlete in your own digital space. If this sounds useful to you, the link is in the description below. Number 3, ergonomic joint wrist support mousepad with memory foam wrist fatigue and carpal tunnel pain are the hidden costs of a digital career. Without proper elevation, the constant friction and pressure on your wrist joints cause long-term damage and daily discomfort. This ergonomic mousepad features a memory foam cushion with massage bumps and a specific slope design to keep your wrist in a natural position. It provides the physical relief you need to work or play for hours without the distraction of a dull ache, protecting your most valuable tools, your hands. If this sounds useful to you, the link is in the description below. Number 4, seat cushion for office chairs. Standard office chairs often lack the necessary support for your tailbone and lower back, leading to sciatica and chronic pressure. You find yourself constantly shifting and losing focus because your chair simply isn't built for your body. This high-density seat cushion provides immediate pressure relief for the coccyx and hips, turning any rigid chair into a custom ergonomic throne. It restores your focus and energy, allowing you to finish your workday feeling physically light rather than weighed down by pain. If this sounds useful to you, the link is in the description below. Number 5, human-centric video conference lighting. Bad lighting on a video call makes you look unprofessional, tired, and unengaged. Relying on overhead lights or bulky ring lights often creates harsh shadows or takes up too much room on your desk. The human-centric double kit is a specialized LED monitor light system designed specifically to make you look your best on camera. It provides a soft, professional glow that builds instant authority and trust during every Zoom meeting or stream. It gives you the ultimate professional edge, ensuring that your appearance matches the quality of your work. If this sounds useful to you, the link is in the description below. All product links are in the description below. Check it now.